Hey y'all, it's your girl. This is my Beautpal collection of gel nail polishes. They're absolutely gorgeous. The box comes like this. It has 6 8 ml bottles of gel polish. So what I do is, in this box, I pull the insert out, I cut it in half, and then this is how I store my gel polishes. I've already swatched all of them, but I'm going to put them in numerical order. I'll just show you the colors up front, close and personal. If they are still available, I will definitely put links in the description so you can check them out. These are beautiful polishes.